everyone, and thank you for all coming out. I'm going to read a piece from a 1956 volume of Rexroth called In Defense of the Earth. He wrote it for his daughters, Mary and Katharine. The piece, as you see in their program, is called A Dialogue of Watching. Let me celebrate you. I have never known anyone more beautiful than you. Walking beside you, watching. You move beside me, watching. That still grace of hand and thigh. Watching your face change with words you do not say. Watching your solemn eyes as they turn to me, or turn inward, full of knowing, slow or quick. Watching your full lips part and smile, or turn grave. Watching your narrow waist, your proud buttocks in their grace, like a sailing swan, an animal, free, your own, and never to be subjugated, but abandoned, as I am to you. Overhearing your perfect speech of motion, of love and trust and security as you feed or play with our children. I have never known any one more beautiful than you.